Lead coders, welcome back. And today we are going to do another lead code problem known as reverse words in a string. And one thing I would like to tell you while trying to attempt to do these kind of problems is that try not to do them in C, because if you do them in C, it's going to be look at and it still is not passing, because you see if I say run in C, I'm still getting wrong answers. So it's not still, even after 50 lines of code at least. Actually 57, you see. So in C, string handling is a complete mess, and I would say avoid and just stick to Python when it comes to these algorithmic problems, and especially string related, because it's so much easier. Really, it would make your life 100 times simpler. So today we will try reverse Leetcode 151, reverse words in a string. And basically it says that given an input string, reverse the order of the words. A word is blah blah blah, and then it says return a string of the words in reverse order. And the thing is, you need to remove all the leading and the trailing white spaces, and also make sure that there are not more than one space between the words. It says the return string should only have a single space between separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces. So how are we going to try to do this? So first thing is, let's do this Python as we talked. So first thing is remove all the leading and trailing white space. How do you do that? You just say s dot strip. So that gets rid of all the leading and trailing white spaces. Now let's create a list which of words from the string. So you say s dot split, and it basically gives you a list of words from the string. Then you say you want to put these words in the reverse order. So say create another list, lst1 equal to list REVRSED reversed, and then lst, the original list. So that's your lst1. Now all you need to do is say result equal to just one space, as you know already, dot join. Basically join the words in the reverse list to make the sentence. So just say lst1, and after that you say return res, and I think this should work. Let's see that. There you go. So it's already accepted, just with 5 lines of code. And I'm sure those of you who consider themselves Python experts can even reduce it to probably 4. So just 5 lines of code, even with my okay kind of Python, and we were able to solve this problem. And C, it would be around 100 lines of code. So maybe C++ might be better, definitely, but C is a wrong choice of language to use for doing these kind of problems. So now let's try to submit, and there you go. In fact, it's even with Python, it's saying it beats 100%, which I am not sure why, but that is your Leetcode 151, and it is basically strip, split, reversed, and join. So understand the meaning of all of them. Strip gets rid of leading and trailing white spaces. Split splits the string into words. Reversed creates a reverse list, and then you pass it to the list method, gets another list which has those words reversed. And then join is basically, you can start with a string, in this case just single white space, and then say join that lst1, which is the reverse list, and that's it. That's your answer, and just return that. So that is your Leetcode 151, and I hope we'll continue to traverse our Leetcode journey. It has been a very enjoyable journey so far, as long as you continue to use the right kind of language, right kind of tool for the right kind of problem, as they say. So, with that, I will leave you guys alone on this Saturday, March 22, and I wish you all the best in your Leetcode journey and hope you crack those meta interviews, kind of complicated interviews. And if not, you would definitely try, crack some other interview. With that, I leave you alone. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.